Hello there and welcome back. Today I'll show you how I upcycled this pair of basic pine bedside tables. I always start with sanding my pieces. I find that without proper sanding, the paint will not stick well later and you won't have lasting results. If there are any big dents or holes, I fill them in with my 2-part wood filler, and I always prime my pieces before painting. I first brush the primer and then go over it with a roller to get the smoothest base possible. This is the lovely green paint I use for this project. It's called Hartley Green by Little Green Paints. After measuring well, I roll out my paper on my table, ready to cut to size. For this project, my client wanted to use this gorgeous Emma Shipley Zambezi paper in teal colour. I use watered down PVA glue to stick my papers on, and then apply them carefully by pressing down with a bubble wrap and a squidgy to remove all air bubbles. You always need to paint your piece first and then stick your paper on. But there is no need to paint where the paper is going to go. This is how I applied the paper inside the bedside tables, over the internal shelves. Always make sure you seal the paper afterwards with 1 or 2 coats of clear varnish. I use Polyvine Decorators Clear Varnish. And this is the result. Thanks for watching this video and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.